or Asiatic wild dogs, they live in packs. Only the alpha male can mate with the alpha female. Lower ranked individuals don't have the right to reproduce. So at times, one male breaks away from the group with a female. However, it has risks. To hunt prey, the pack coordinates among themselves and engage deers in a high-speed chase. During the process, the wild dogs often get injured. When you break free to start a group, you risk these kind of injuries. When injured, wild dogs can't hunt and will die of hunger. These two wild dogs have broken free from the group to start a family. The female is heavily pregnant. I wonder how hard they have to work to find food to survive. This wild dog couple offers some compelling insights into risk-taking, ambition, and the pursuit of one's dreams. The decision of the two wild dogs to break away from the safety and structure of the pack shows a courageous spirit. Similarly, embracing risks to follow your own path requires courage and ambition. Staying in the pack represents security and comfort, much like staying in a stable corporate job. However, breaking free can open doors to new opportunities and personal growth. The risk of injuries and starvation faced by the pair of wild dogs parallels the challenges of entrepreneurship and other ambitious pursuits. The path to success often involves sacrifices and facing potential failures. Here, failure means losing a life. The heavily pregnant female and her partner represent the spirit of perseverance, determined to create a new destiny despite all odds. Resilience in the face of setbacks is crucial for success. The wild dog's story emphasizes that taking control of one's destiny often means stepping away from established norms or secure situations. Trusting in oneself is key to carving out a unique path. Yeah, every day is a war, so it is important to choose the right partner who has the necessary skills and with whom you have a complete trust. Finding a like-minded partner or team can be vital in overcoming challenges. The Dholes must develop new survival strategies after leaving the pack because they don't have the numbers to chase and hunt large prey. Similarly, pursuing one's own path may require innovative thinking and willingness to adapt. Like the wild dogs, people seeking to carve their own destiny need to embrace the uncertainty and risks associated with their dreams, understanding that outcomes may vary. The story of wild dogs illustrates that pursuing one's dreams requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. Strategic partnerships, innovative thinking, and a strong sense of purpose can guide individuals towards success even in the face of challenges.